Mr. Poopy Head. So this is his nighttime cage. He frets when I put him in a big cage. So he likes the confinement. Anyway, he's going. Okay, he gets to go fly. He hasn't been having baby food for a few days now. Okay, so it's about time he goes explores. He can come back anytime. If he's unlucky, I might catch him just to spend some time with him. But unfortunately, it's a sad, sad day, Poopy Head. I'm happy, but I get sad, okay? You got some bugs, you got some mixed food, you got some honey water, you got normal water, okay? So it's up to you now. You can come back and visit. It's a nice day today. It's like 40 something degrees yesterday. It's a good overcast day. Okay, I'm gonna miss you, Poopy. Here's Squirt having a tantrum. My Poopy. He's up that tree now. I'm gonna miss him. Mr. Poopy Head, I see you. You have fun. Look after yourself, mate. Hopefully you come back and visit. I always put food and water down for you, Poopy. Anyway, so there he is over there. He just chased a dove. He might come back. He's over there now. Poopy Head's off on a mission. Okay, have a great day. I'm happy, but I'm a bit sad. I love that bird. See ya.